know it's been a minute. I'm here though. I'm here. What's good? I know you miss me. Yeah, so I broke the car. I'm joking. The stud the stud that's on the back of the exhaust manifold. I don't know if you can see it right there. By the way, this was black. This turned bright orange as far as fuck. Studs right here. They backed out on me. Don't know how. Well, one of them backed out, and I just ripped this one out with a rat. It clearly was not in place. Alright, so boom. So after I found out I was wrong, I'll go to Honda real quick and go get the parts. Hopefully this is an easy fix. This was not an easy fix. Sheesh. Full Civic. Clean. Got the new studs. Got it. There's no maximum right here. I'm ugly as hell. We got the brand new studs, brand new nuts. Pause. I'm gonna have to take the manifold off, so I'm basically taking everything off. Taking the whole hot side of the kit off. Wastegate, manifold, turbo housing. I have to take all that out just to get to the headers. To the header studs. That's definitely not what it's called. To the header studs. Header studs. To the header. Okay. So basically to get to the header studs off. Bro, I'm done. So we have to take off the subframe again.
You're just holding it there, and then I'm gonna see how much space we could get with the rope. If that doesn't work, then I'll hold it so you can drain your shit. Bro, stop recording, bro. I always wanna record some shit.
Yo, stop recording me, bro.
Behind the camera, nobody talking to him, bro.
Bro, I'm glad nobody's talking to me.
You gay too.
Alright, wait, bro.
It's the fact that he just included only 3 of us.
Nah,
It's only 3 of us.
It's only you and him.
Bro, he's fruit ass, bro. Why y'all gotta be fruit?
Nah, bro.
Bro, go watch the previous videos, bro.
What do you see? What are you doing, bro? Season my pussy, bro.
You good, bro?
Bro, I love so much, bro. I be scared to like really be like touching my
Nigga, you gay.
Honda dust. See, Honda dust is like ashy dust. Nissan dust don't make you look ashy, bro.
Bro,
Fucking Hondas, bro.
bro, your car ashy, bro.
My car's not ashy, bro.
Car looks ashy.
Bro, your mouth looks ashy.
You may be right, bro. You the one who eat ass, bro.
Why the fuck would I eat ass?
Bro, I guarantee you ate ass.
I guarantee you, I never did and I never will. Oh,
Why are you happy, bro?
I don't know about that. I never will. Cause
Look at him.
I married somebody, bro. We doing everything because now we taking everything to the grid with us.
Niggas just want to eat ass.
How is it not out?
Give him the phone in my face, bro.
I hope so.
That's the last one?
Yeah, that's the last one.
So why is it dropping?
I don't know, cause I'm holding it with the thing.
The rope?
Yeah. Oh, it's still inside the air intake.
Oh, the blow valve. I know y'all ain't get to see this in the build series because I didn't really get to record it. It's the oil feed line, oil pressure sensor. What? Oh, shit. Okay. We gonna try to wait, don't, wait. So we're gonna try to attempt this without draining the oil. We're gonna try to hang the turbo with the housing somewhere where the lines are restricted. If we can get it to hold up somewhere, we'll do that. But if we gotta drain the oil, I really don't care. Alright, so after a couple hours, we got some work done. We decided to continue the next day. It's gonna be like no cameras.
You might want to put on the headphones.
Don't tell me what to do.
Okay. He's already deaf. He's just trying to go even more deaf.
I just put them on, you know, and this is all it is. Now I can't hear shit. I'm so sorry. I can't.
Well, those your personal?
Oh, no. These are from here.
No, because I was going to say, next time get some that you can hear.
Oh,
You can turn them on.
why is smoke, y'all? Because of gunshots. My dumb ass.
Ain't nobody else in here, right?
Nah. Let's go f***ing crazy, bro. Let's shoot the walls. Damn, I can't even show guns on the channel. I'm gonna put little water guns over this bitch. What you got going on, bro?
Oh yeah, that's dead.
Big boy shots. So we back, put the studs back in. Sir, we already threaded the other stud in. threading this one in now. I use 2 bolts. Just stack them. Tighten up. The manifold back on last night. About to put the downpipe back on. I put some heat wrap around the top portion of the downpipe. That's all I had. It's better than nothing. Yes, sir. We about to put the downpipe back in. Then we can put the subframe back on. Brando finished putting in the downpipe. Put in the downpipe. Tightened everything back up. Basically tighten all the hoses back up. Tighten all the clamps back up. And we're about to throw the subframe back on. So. Open the garage. Got it done. So I got the whole fuel cell out the car. Disconnect the bottom part so I can drill some holes into the side. Got the pump out of the crate or whatever. About to start drilling holes. I got 4 holes in it so far. This is to allow more fuel into the fuel cell without a fuel return system for now. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. We'll see if it does any better. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in right now. It's gonna allow that little crate to like fill up with more fuel, so the fuel pump always has fuel to suck in. Pause. Now it's time to get a word in from our sponsors. Said what? We don't have any sponsors? Nigga, we'll get some. Thank you for everyone's support. I know I've been going for a minute, but I'm coming back strong. I've just kind of been like out of the loop, trying to get back into it. If you don't feel satisfied with what you did for the day, the best way to get out of that is just go out and make change. Whatever it is, whatever your craft is, work to get better at it every single day. Whenever you got free time, if you really want it, work on your craft. That's really one of the only ways your craft is going to improve, feel me? So I know I'm not the only one that could be lazy. If you seeing this and you lazy, just get up, go be better, bro. But the only one that controls your day is you. Don't make it better for yourself.
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
Look like a little ghost.
You don't recognize now that I'm blasting.